Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back for our phonics lesson. We are winding down, but I want to do a review of certain things that we've learned throughout this year with our phonics. So between today and tomorrow, we're going to do some review, and you guys can shout out with what you see, what I'm holding up, or the answers, because I know that you know these, and we're just going to do a little bit of refresher. So we're going to start off with refreshing chart 11. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, we'll go ahead and we'll begin with chart 11. Ooh, that was a little while ago, but let's see if you could do it. If there's any words that are tricky, I will give you a little bit of a hint, but let's see if you could do that as I hold these up. Ready? Begin. And thread, E-A. Is this Chuck? No. Cut and chorus, C-H. J. Remember, this one's chicken. Budge. J. Good. Okay, awesome. Okay, we're going to do chart 12 in just a little bit. So I want to ask you something just for review. Okay, who knows all the vowels? I hope you're raising your hand. Yes. Okay, so what are our vowels? There's 5 of them. Ready? Go ahead and shout them out in order. Good. Okay. And the short sound for those, go ahead and shout out the short sound. Good. And how about the long sound that has a straight stick? What's the sound? Good. Okay. Now, another thing, another concept that we learned throughout the year was the KC rule. Remember that rule? Well, I just wrote it down for a refresher for you, because when you go to spell a word, both K and C both have, what sound do they make? Right. So how do you know if a word begins with K or C? How do you know that? Okay, so the rule is K goes with I and E, C goes with the other 3, A, O, and U. So because they both make the K sound, then they're going to, you see which letter comes right after that following letter. So for instance, you have kite. K. Well, the next letter after the K sound is I. So the second letter is I, so it begins with a K. The word kite begins with K. Cake, look at the second letter. It's an A. So if it's an A, it begins with a C, and so on. So I'm going to have you look at these to remember that rule. Who remembers that rule? Okay, go ahead and say it. K goes with I and E, C goes with the other 3. Good job. Okay, now, another rule. Let's see if you remember. Actually, before we get to that one, we're going to do chart 12 right now. Okay, ready? Just a quick review, boys and girls. I know you can do it. Ready, begin. Prefix. This is the prefix. Yeah. What other special sound is this if it wasn't a prefix? Who knows? And adopt a. Good. Okay, good job. All right. Tomorrow we're going to do chart 13 as a review. Another thing I wanted to review with you all is when we're adding a suffix. So I put some of the suffixes we've learned up in these clouds here. We have ingen, pointing, ing, tut and looked, ed, ed and wanted, ed, and dut and played, ed. Ed makes this three special sounds, and and bigger, er. Okay, so what is the first rule when a word has a short vowel before we add the suffix? Like the short vowel. This is a short vowel because there's only one vowel in the word. What do we need to do before adding the suffix? What do we need to do? What is it that we need to do? You're close. I know you remember. Okay, so what do we do when a word has a short vowel? We double the last consonant before adding the suffix, right? Right? You double the last consonant before adding the suffix. When a word has a long vowel, what do we do? If it has a long vowel, so if it has like the silent E on the end, what do? You take out the E before adding the suffix. You drop the E before adding the suffix. Okay, boys and girls. So that's just some review of some of the things, many things that we've learned throughout the year. So boys and girls, remember, I want you to continue to learn, continue to grow, and I will see you shortly for a review of math. I know you guys are going to like this one. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.